Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by parking safely and securing the handbrake, then put the shifter in neutral so you can work freely. First, check whether your knob uses a set screw or threads, the most common options, and select the correct 5mm Allen key or 19mm socket. Once ready, protect the surrounding trim with tape to avoid scratches, then hold the shifter steady and pull the knob up with a firm, twisting motion while your other hand stabilizes the boot base. This frees the knob without damaging the lever. Next, remove the surrounding console trim to access the boot base. Pry clips or undo screws methodically and place each fastener in order so reassembly is straightforward. Once the bezel is loose, locate and release the boot's retaining clips or wire ties. Use a trim tool to pry gently so clips don't break. After the old boot clears, compare the new boot's collar diameter and mounting tabs to the original. This ensures the new seal sits flush and prevents future rattle or wear once. To finish, slip the new boot over the shifter and align its mounting tabs with the bezel openings. Press evenly around the perimeter until every clip snaps into place, ensuring a uniform seal. Then reattach the knob, thread it on or press it down and tighten the set screw to the specified snugness so you still feel gear changes. Finally, cycle the transmission through each gear to verify smooth travel and make sure nothing binds. If you detect stiffness, loosen the knob slightly and reseat the boot and clips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.